Go to the Star tool or any of the other tools in the Tools panel and create a quick design on the screen. These are vector designs, any size. Make certain the fill is set to nothing and also set the stroke to a width of whatever you want. Black, fine as well. And also you can modify the pressure. What you can then do is go over to Layer and Duplicate Linked. So I've got now 2 star layers. And I'm just going to rotate this design. And I'm going to repeat the duplication and also modify the rotation a bit, as well as scaling, etc. So you end up with multiple stars all linked. You can see there in the links, all these settings now are linked. So what you can do, just go to one of the stars, select that one, and you can change the number of points. And as you do that, you can see all of them change, as well as the inner radius. Also the inner circle. So you can create a whole range of different star designs. What you can also do is you can go over here to stroke, and you can think, I can change the colour, but also I can go here and change the width. And make it obviously thin a bit. They're all linked, so all of them suddenly become 15 or 39, etc. But also you can go over here and modify the pressure. So as you do that, they will all change. And you can still resize and rotate if you wish, as well as delete if you want, or maybe add additional duplicated layers that are linked. I'd be interested to hear how you will use this. Will you use it with shape layers like this, or maybe other vector designs? Do you think the linked layer feature is really useful? I think it is, but obviously maybe it's not as useful as I think. Again, please put some comments about that. It'd be really appreciated. A dislike or like is also would be nice as well. Thank you much.